Here's a couple carrier units. I think this one, the data is right there. It's faded though. Looks like it's from 2004. It's a Carrier Weathermaster. And the thing in the back is a energy recycler. Energy recycler. There's the logo. And there's this carrier unit. Oh, it's on the other side. 2004. Here's a couple more of the exact same thing. 2004 Carrier Weathermaster. And then the energy recycler. And then there's a big little, and then there's this little carrier. This one only has one fan. This cover is removed. 2004. Okay. Older Lennox. From 2015, 5-ton. There's a fan in that unit.